Hi, so just want to explain what MEANstack is essentially and how my app is working with MEANstack. So MEANstack web applications are made up of an Angular front end, Node back end, Mongo for your database, and Express server as middleware for allowing the front end and the back end to communicate. So front end you'd have here your Angular app, all the different components, which is what makes Angular app. It's essentially loads of different components on the page. Then I have my Node backend, which is essentially an API for reaching the Mongo backend. Here I have my database file that connects to my Mongo backend. This is here is my password. I just have it blanked out, obviously, for keeping everything secure. So this is my server that I'm connecting to, and what's allowing me to share resources between my Node backend and my Angular frontend is this Express server here. So we use Express, and we also use a CORS function, and we start an Express server down here, which allows the two to communicate. CORS allows the sharing of resources as well between the two, and how you deploy a MEANstack application is this front end here. You would build it using ng build, and you build it into the front end, and you're specifying it here to use. This is your front that you're using this app.use my front end. So this public folder here is my front end built into the back end, and that's essentially how that all works. So thanks.